We destroyed this cramped kitchen and transformed it into the sleekest one on the block. Let's take a look.
So this customer is really into entertaining and having gatherings in their home. If you'll notice, we put in some pantry for extra storage right here. They got brand new appliances. I am in love with these appliances. They are matte black. These cabinets are all KCD, combination of white for the wall cabinets. They got gray as the base cabinets, and then we'll touch on the island, which is a beautiful blue here. Really nice quartzite counters that you can see all the colors in. They really pop. They decided instead of doing a backsplash, they just ran the countertop right up the back here. The under cabinet lighting is something that we really added into, just a really nice touch. Got a black sink with the faucet that really complements the matte black appliances. Some nice touches in the island. The beverage center is also something that they added in. And then if you look over here, there used to be a wall. We totally took that out and opened it up and made their dining area right here. This one turned out great. Get in touch with us, guys. Tell us how much you love it, and stay tuned for more.